Hello viewers, once again I welcome all of you to my YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to learn the concepts of countable noun and uncountable noun. First of all, I want to thank all the subscribers who are promoting and encouraging me to make more such educational videos. After watching this video, you shall be able to understand the concepts of countable nouns, its meaning, identification of countable nouns, and some examples. Uncountable nouns, its meaning, how to identify uncountable nouns, and some examples. Also, you will understand the differences between countable and uncountable nouns. And also, you shall be able to understand how to make uncountable nouns countable. And in the end, we shall do some exercise. First of all, let's see what is countable nouns. Countable nouns are the nouns which one can count. Counting means counting by using numbers like 1, 2, 3, 4, etc. For example, pen, mobile, page, hand, finger, table, etc. Now, we can say that man is the measure of everything. That means we count everything in the universe. Through our eyes, through our perception, we understand or we count or measure the depth, the length, distance, and so on. But here, counting means by using the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and so on. For example, I can say 1 pen, 2 pens, 3 pens, 4 pens, but it means that we can count by separating them one by one. So, such nouns which can be counted by using numbers are called countable nouns and separating them. Okay. Now, let's understand what is uncountable nouns. The nouns that one cannot count are called uncountable nouns. By this definition, we can understand that uncountable nouns means that we cannot understand uncountable nouns. We cannot understand or we cannot count uncountable nouns by using numbers. For example, if we are to measure water, we cannot separate or cut water into some pieces. Water is uncountable. We never say 1 water, 2 waters, 3 waters, 4 waters, and so on. So such nouns that are not able to be counted or that we cannot cut into pieces, such nouns are called uncountable nouns. For example, accommodation, coffee, cotton, faith, butter, knowledge, etc. These are some examples of uncountable nouns. Which nouns can be uncountable nouns? Let's see. Abstract ideas. Ideas such as motivation, wisdom, faith are uncountable because these are abstract ideas and we cannot count them by using numbers. We never say 1 motivation, 2 motivations, 3 wisdoms, or 5 faiths. It's wrong to use in this way. Liquids and gases. Some liquids and gases are uncountable like water, milk, coffee, smoke, fog, etc. We never say 1 fog or 2 fogs, 3 fogs. Therefore, these are uncountable nouns. Things that are made of smaller parts like sugar, rice, salt, sand, dust, etc. So, the things that are made of small parts are uncountable nouns. These nouns are difficult to count because of large quantity or large numbers. It becomes difficult to count them. Materials. Some materials like wood, glass, paper, ice, gold, silver, steel, cotton. Such materials are used to make things. Such materials are uncountable nouns. And some foods like bread, fish, cheese, meat, chocolate, etc. Particularly the food which is consumed after cutting into small pieces. Such foods are uncountable nouns. Some examples of uncountable nouns are accommodation, advice, education, equipment, evidence, bread, confusion, fruit, furniture, ground, knowledge, luggage, milk, paper, gold, research, water, sugar, wisdom, weather, wood, work, and so on. These nouns are uncountable nouns. These are just some of the examples. Some nouns also can be considered countable as well as uncountable. It depends on the context. Now, what is the difference between countable and uncountable nouns? Why we make differences between countable and uncountable nouns, and why they are important? For example, numbers can be used before countable nouns as an adjective, or we never use numbers before uncountable nouns. For example, we can say one student, two students, three students, and so on. And also, uh, countable nouns have singular and plural forms like student and students. But uncountable nouns do not have plural form. They are mostly considered as singular, like cheese, and the plural is also cheese. Cheese has only one form, but it's uncountable, so it cannot have plural form. Articles a and an are used before countable nouns, but it is never used before uncountable nouns. Like we say a bag, but we an egg, but we never use a or an before uncountable nouns. The is used before countable as well as uncountable nouns. For example, the school is countable noun, and the food is uncountable noun. Few or fewer. We can use few or fewer before countable nouns. For example, few chairs, but we never say few water. Few benches, few teachers are some of the examples. Similarly, many or several can be used before countable nouns, and much is used before uncountable nouns. For example, many changes, or we say several things. Changes and things are countable, but we say much pleasure. Pleasure is uncountable. So much is used before uncountable nouns, and many is used countable nouns. In asking questions, we also use how many for countable nouns and how much for uncountable nouns. A lot of or lots of is used or are used for countable as well as uncountable nouns, because for example, we can say a lot of knowledge. Knowledge is uncountable noun, a lot of knowledge. And we also say lots of pages. Pages are countable nouns. Some is used before countable nouns as well as uncountable nouns. For example, we say some flowers, or flowers is countable nouns, and we say some milk is uncountable noun. So we can use some in both the cases. How to convert uncountable noun into countable nouns? So one can make uncountable noun countable by using major unit before them. For example, accommodation. We never say one accommodation, two accommodations, or three accommodations, but we can make it countable by using such nouns as a house. We can say a flat, we can say a place to live, a place to stay. Bread is uncountable, but we can say a slice of bread. a slice of cheese, a slice of meat, a slice of toast, etc. A slice can be used for cheese, meat and toast also. Lightning. Lightning is uncountable, but we can say a flash of lightning. A flash of lightning means one flash of lightning. Poetry. Poetry is uncountable, whereas a poem is countable. Rice. Rice is uncountable, but a grain of rice is countable. Rain. Rain is uncountable, but a shower, a downpour, a storm are countable. Travel. Instead of saying travel, a travel, or making it singular, we can say a journey, a trip. Money. We can make money countable by using such nouns as a note, a coin, a sum of money, a euro, a dollar, etc. Water. For water, we can say a glass of water, a glass of juice, a glass of wine, etc. Furniture. A piece of furniture, or a piece can also be used for advice, a piece of advice, etc. Coffee. Coffee is uncountable noun, but we can count coffee by saying a cup of coffee, or a cup also used for tea, so we can say a cup of tea. Coke. A bottle of Coke, a bottle of milk, a bottle of water. So bottle, cup, piece, glass are the measuring terms or major units to make uncountable nouns countable. So let's do some exercise. The sceneries here are not good. I think this sentence is wrong. Why this sentence is wrong? Because the scenery is uncountable noun, and in this sentence scenery is considered as plural, but scenery is uncountable. So we have already discussed that uncountable nouns cannot be countable or cannot have plural forms. So this sentence is incorrect. The correct sentence is the scenery is not good. Now scenery here is considered as singular, and the verb which is used is, which is correct. The next sentence is they have got lots of furnitures. Now again the same mistake, furnitures is uncountable noun, so this sentence is incorrect. But the sentence they have got lots of furniture is a correct sentence, because furniture is considered as singular here, so this sentence is correct. We have received no informations about the accident. Now informations is uncountable noun, so why this is made here plural? So this is a wrong way to say informations, but correct sentence should be information, and this sentence is incorrect. But the correct sentence is we have received no information about the accident, so this sentence is correct because information is considered as singular, so this sentence is correct. I hope you have liked this video, and if you have learned something here, or if you enjoyed this video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. And don't forget to press bell icon to get notifications of my new videos. If you like to watch such more educational videos, please subscribe to my channel. And once again I thank all of you for watching this video. Thanks.